Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the ClearTX2 VTX from Foxeer. In this video I'm going to go over its features, measure its output strength, and then head outdoors and test it out. In addition, Foxeer kindly agreed to sponsor a giveaway, so one of you lucky subscribers is going to win this VTX, which is going to be directly sent from Foxeer. So if you'd like to participate in the giveaway, stay tuned and I will give you the details in the end of this video. A few months ago, I reviewed the first version of the ClearTX, and one of the most common complaints was that it doesn't support smart audio. So now this feature has been added to the ClearTX2, and you can control the settings of the VTX using TBS Smart Audio Protocol. Just like the ClearTX1, it supports 48 channels, but now the input voltage is a little bit wider, and it's between 7 to 30 volts. And also the output strength has been upgraded, so the options are 25, 200, 500 and 800 milliwatts, as opposed to the ClearTX1, where the option were only 25, 200 and 600 milliwatts. Inside the bag you can find the ClearTX2 VTX, a harness for connecting it to your flight controller, the user manual, and a bag with two rubber O-rings for securing the MMCX antenna, and also a spare 4-pins connector. The ClearTX2 has almost the same dimensions of the ClearTX1, which are 22.1 by 31.5 by 6.9 millimeters. It also weighs about the same, so the weight of the ClearTX2 is 7.36 grams, which is about the same weight of the ClearTX1. Just like the ClearTX1, the ClearTX2 is using 7 LEDs for indicating the output strength, channel and band. You can change the settings either by pressing this button, which is located over here, or more conveniently, you can use the smart audio feature. By default, the VTX comes locked to 25 milliwatts, so in order to unlock it, you will need to power it up, and then press the configuration button for about 5 seconds, until this indication is going to appear. Now I'm going to measure the output strength of the VTX. When it's set to 25 milliwatts, I'm getting around 20 milliwatts. When it's set to 200 milliwatts, I'm getting around 232 milliwatts. When it's set to 500 milliwatts, I'm getting 365 milliwatts. And finally, when it's set to 800 milliwatts, I'm only getting around 400 milliwatts. I also tested it using other frequencies, and right now it is set to raceband 1, and the result is a little bit higher, and it's about 430 milliwatts. So if you're looking for a long-range VTX, the ClearTX2 might not be the best option for you. But anyway, it's not marketed as one and it's more intended for racing, and one of its highlights is that it can support 8 racing pilots simultaneously. I've already tested the ClearTX2 and I can tell you that it is a great improvement over the ClearTX1, where I had lots of noise when I pushed the throttle and it doesn't show up on the ClearTX2, and I think the highlight of this VTX is on the lower output strength, so when it's set to 25 milliwatt it really shines. And if you need a VTX for racing, you should definitely check it out. If you wish to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is to leave a comment down below. Make sure to be subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell, so once I will announce the winner, you're not going to miss out. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, where I mounted the ClearTX2 on the Batman 220 and I took it outdoors and tested it out. If you have any questions about the ClearTX, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.